To hide photos and videos on Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus, first we need to find our secure folder. If you find this app, you can click on it and then create your password and unlock your secure folder. From here, we need to click on the three dots and add our files. We're gonna go for images or videos, depending on whichever you want to hide, and then select any amount of photos that we're gonna hide. And we can then copy them or move them. Difference is, if you move them, then they will be removed from your original gallery and you'll be able to access them only through a secure folder. If you copy them, then they will still remain in your normal gallery and you'll be able to access them both secure folder and when your phone is used normally. I'm gonna move them, and now to access those files we need to open either My Files or a gallery. Click on one of them and then move to your photos, and that way you'll be able to find all of your hidden photos or videos. And that is basically everything.